Hello, I'm Megumi. Welcome to this gentle 15 minutes morning yoga practice. Today we'll gently wake up the body with twists and stretches. No need to rush. Just listen to your body and notice how you feel right now. Then let's begin. Sit in a cross-legged position with your right shin in front. Place your hands in front of you and walk your fingers forward, coming into a gentle forward fold. If you like, you can place your forearms on the mat and relax your neck and head. Feel a gentle stretch into your right outer hip. Take a slow inhale and exhale softly. And walk your hands back in, slowly come up. Bring your left hand on your right knee and your right hand behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, gently twist. Stay with your breath. From here, reach your right arm up and gently lean over to the left. Feel a gentle stretch along your side body. Reach through your right fingertips. Then place your right hand on your left knee. Bring your torso back to center. As you exhale, round your spine, drawing your navel in towards your spine. Breathe into your back. As you exhale, chin to chest. Slowly come up and interlock your fingers behind your back. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together to open your chest wide. And exhale, release. Okay, this time bring your left shin in front. And walk your fingers forward. Come into a gentle forward fold. Breathe into your left outer hip. Soften your jaw. Relax your facial muscles. Just allow yourself to slow down. Okay, then walk your hands back in and come up. This time bring your right hand on your left knee, your left hand behind your back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to twist. Breathe into your belly. Reach your left arm up and lean over to the right. Gentle stretch into the left side of your body. Then place your left hand on your right knee. Bring your torso back to center. As you exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. As you exhale, draw your navel towards your spine. Inhale, come up, interlace your fingers behind your back again, and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Open your chest. And exhale, release. Then bend your knees. Bring your feet about hip width apart. Gently drop your knees from side to side. Gentle movement for your hips and lower back. And we are gonna move into a seated pigeon pose. Bring your right ankle over your left thigh, and you can adjust the position of your left foot. If you wanna have a deeper stretch, bring it closer to your body, and press the floor firmly to lengthen your spine nice and long. And take a few steady breaths. Then extend your left leg. Place your right foot outside your left leg. Move into a gentle twist. Hug your right knee with your left arm. And as you exhale, rotate your ribcage to the right. Breathe into your belly. And hug your right knee tightly. Slowly unwind your twist. This time place your right foot out to the right side and hold your right foot from the outside with your both hands. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, begin to extend your right leg. You can keep your knees bent to help keep your spine long. As you exhale, gently lean your body back to deepen your stretch. Lower your shoulder blades. Slowly come back to center. Hold your right foot from the inside and open your right leg out to the side. Feel the stretch through your inner thigh. Maintain your balance. Come back to center. Extend your right leg forward and round your spine. Feel the stretch along your back. Slowly lower your leg and come up. Bend your knees. Drop your knees from side to side. Okay, come back to center and let's switch. This time, bring your left ankle over your right thigh. Come into seated pigeon pose. And push your left knee away from your body. Notice any sensations in your body. Then extend your right leg. Place your left foot outside of your right leg. Hug your left knee towards your chest. And come into a gentle twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale to deepen your twist. Slowly come back to center. Then place your left foot out to the left side. Hold your left foot from the outside with your hands. Exhale, stretch your left leg forward. Heron pose. Relax your shoulders. And as you exhale, lean your body back to deepen your stretch. Slightly gaze upward. And come back to center. Hold your left foot from the inside. And extend your left leg out to the side. Inner leg stretch. Keep steady breath. Come back to center. And extend your left leg forward, round your spine. Feel the stretch along your back. Okay, lower your leg. Slowly come up. Then make your way to downward facing dog. You can pedal your legs, swing your hips from side to side. Then bend your knees deeply. Slowly lower your heels towards the mat. As you inhale, reach your right leg up. And exhale, bend your knee, open your hips. We are gonna move into low lunge. Step your right foot forward inside your right hand. Place your left knee on the mat. Stay on your fingertips. Lower your pelvis, lift your chest up. Feel a deep stretch through your left front thigh. Then place your hands on your right thigh and slowly come up. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Bend into your right knee and reach your arms up overhead. And as you exhale, cactus arm, bend your elbows, spread your fingers wide. Inhale up. Exhale, cactus arms. One last time. Exhale, open your chest. Reach your arms up. Lower your pelvis a bit more. Then place your hands on the mat. Kick your left heel back. Then twist to the right side. Reach your right arm up and over. Maybe gaze to the sky. Place your hands on the mat. Come back to downward facing dog. Lift your hips up and back. Okay, then let's switch. This time reach your left leg up and bend your left knee. Open your hips. And come into low lunge. Step your left foot forward. And place your right knee on the mat. Stay on your fingertips. And feel a deep stretch through your right front thigh. Place your hands on your left thigh and slowly come up. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Bend into your left knee and reach your arms up. Gentle stretch into your front body. Energize your legs. Exhale to cactus arms, open your chest. Inhale up. Exhale, bend your elbows. One last time. Okay, lower your fingertips on the floor. Kick your right heel back. Move into twist. Reach your left arm up and over. Bring your right shoulder towards your left knee. Raise your left arm. Come back to downward facing dog. This is our last down dog. Feel free to add any movement that feels good. Then slowly place your knees on the mat. Move into child pose. Place your forehead on the mat. Feel the gentle stretch across your back. Then we'll take one more twist here. Gently lift your head and spread the right arm to the left. turn your face to the left as well. You can stay on your left fingertips or bring your left hand behind your back. So this is kind of twist and stretch. Take some deep breaths here. Okay, slowly release, come back to center. And this time thread the left arm to the right side. Stay on your right fingertips or bring your right hand behind your back. Feel the gentle movement of your body with your breath. Slowly release, come back to center, and gently roll your body up. You can sit on your heels or come into a comfortable cross-legged position. Close your eyes. Feel the rebound of your practice, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Let's chant Om together one time. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a beautiful practice and feel a little bit better now. I'll see you in the next practice. Bye bye.